Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is power of 3. LeetCode 326. Here is given an integer n, you have to return true if it is a power of 3. And if it is not a power of 3, then you just have to return the false. For example, here is given a 27. So you have to check on what power of 3 it will give a 27. So the 3 power 3 will give you the 27. Okay. So you have to return the true. In the same way, on what power of 3 you will get the 0. So there is no element which will give the 0 on the power of 3. In the same way, for a minus 1, uh, no integer will give the power of 3 as 3 to the power, so it will give the minus 1. So there is no integer which will give the minus 1. So this is the same question of power of 2 also. So let's do this. If n equals to 0, n equals to 1 or n equals to 0, then you just have to return n. If n modulo 3 is equals to 0, then you just have to return power of 3 n by 3. And after this you just have to return 0. So let's run this code. Again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.